I believe the impact that FinTech will have on the asset management industry will be a positive one. More because FinTech will help, or at least will help the asset management industry boost assets under management, as investors will have more confidence that their money will now be properly managed, or at least will be managed more efficiently, and that the visibility to the risk spectrum ahead will be clearer for them, and the marginal contribution to risk for the client's portfolio will be clear.
Fund management companies are going to be forced to cut their manpower by, I think, somewhere between 50 and 75%. They're going to have to rely more on algorithmic research, more on data analytics and big data to figure out the trends in industries, rather than than having to hire a 100,000 plus person who is going to be able to knock on doors and make phone calls. Data analytics and big data is going to offer astounding amounts of information that was previously impossible to access. So it's going to be a move, very much a move from manpower towards data analytics and a huge reduction in manpower.
I think the largest impact that FinTech will have on the asset management industry is going to allow far more people with less wealth to also have access to these services.
The experience of nurturing a startup company in China actually taught me a lot. Okay. And going back to the background, why I was so keen in kick off this business idea is, if I look at what's happening now, and particularly in China, you look at the fee that an asset management company is charging is ridiculously high. And part of the reason is a lot of those money actually go into the distribution channel.
And I think that one of the biggest beneficiaries of the impact of FinTech on the asset management industry are actually the most important are the customers. Because now customers are going to be able to benefit from not only new offerings, but basically have new products they can actually invest in that may be cheaper, that may be more appropriate, and in many cases more suitable for them as well. I think that the impact that robo-advisors are having on the asset management industry is so substantial that over the next 12 to 18 months, I think you'll see all the large asset managers either launch their own robo-advisory offerings, acquire one, or partner with the robo-advisory firm as well.
Robo-advisors will impact asset management industry in several ways. Perhaps the most important one is going to be how can they support the current relationship managers and asset managers in performing more efficiently, maybe reaching more people, more clients with a different range of products.
I feel the asset management industry will be more efficient and more effective in the next 10 years, more because the investment process will be clearer to clients, the risk monitoring will be clearer when clients read their reports, and that justification for any addition or elimination of position to the portfolio will be more visible.
How I imagine the industry to look in 10 years' time will comprise perhaps of some large global wealth management firms who are able to offer services online to consumers or investors anywhere in the world from bases such as Hong Kong. And I think, in effect, that's going to be one of the biggest opportunities for a small domestic market like Hong Kong.